Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get no bloom in Valorant. First, let's tackle the visual bloom effect. This is a graphics setting that adds a glow to bright areas, but it doesn't affect your weapon's accuracy. To turn it off, simply go into your game settings, select video, then graphics quality, and toggle bloom to off. This small change can significantly improve your visual clarity and even give you a slight boost in your frame rate, which is crucial for competitive play. Next, let's refine your crosshair settings to eliminate crosshair bloom, which is the visual expansion of your crosshair. Head to the crosshair section in your settings. You'll want to turn off both movement error and firing error. These settings cause your crosshair to expand when you move or shoot, which can be distracting. A static crosshair provides a consistent reference point, helping you better understand and control your weapon's actual recoil without visual clutter. Achieving no bloom also heavily relies on mastering your weapon's recoil. Valorant's gunplay rewards controlled shooting. Instead of holding down the trigger, practice burst firing, typically with 2 to 3 shots. For longer ranges, single taps are often more effective. Remember to gently pull your mouse downwards to counteract the vertical recoil, especially for the first few shots. Consistent practice in the range, focusing on different weapons and distances, will build the muscle memory you need. Finally, your movement significantly impacts shooting accuracy. To minimize inaccuracy, always come to a complete stop before firing. A technique called counter-strafing, where you quickly tap the opposite movement key, helps you stop instantly. Always keep your crosshair at head level, anticipating enemy positions to maximize your chances of landing critical headshots. By combining precise movement with controlled bursts, you'll drastically reduce perceived bloom and improve your overall shooting consistency in every match.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.